Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can turn on magnification mode in your IQOO smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to simply open your settings, then you have to click on shortcuts and accessibility. Go to accessibility. Here it is magnification. From here you can turn it on. When you just click on this floating window, and you will see here it is magnification. When you just double tap it, your screen will be in magnification. You can see friends, this is how you can enable it, and if you want to disable it from here. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.